Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna show you how to draw a head, like the structure of the head in the 3/4 view. Let's go. First we start with a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Second step, draw a center line to divide this circle into halves. Now it's time for the vertical center line, but since it is a 3/4 view, so it's gonna follow the roundness of the circle and also follow the perspective. Now draw two parallel lines, okay? And they are parallel to the center line, the vertical one on the edge of the head, like here, and the other is parallel to it on the edge of the eyebrow. Now divide the distance from the horizontal center line and the edge of the circle into 3/3. The upper third is going to be the hairline and the lower third is going to be for the nose. Now draw a third line and it represents the chin, and the distance between the chin and the nose equals the distance between the nose and the center lines equals the distance between the center line and the hairline. Now, as you can see, draw a triangle from the eyebrow line, the edge of it, and this edge to the chin, and this triangle will contain the features, the eyes, the nose, and the edge of the mouth. Now, since the head is chopped from the sides, now we need to draw an ellipse on the side from the edge of the brow to the end of the skull. This ellipse actually represents the chopped side of the head. Now draw a center line, a vertical one, on the ellipse. Now, as you can see, we're going to draw the jaw, and it's gonna be like a straight line with an angle and another angled straight line to meet the chin. Also, from the center line and the center point of the ellipse, draw like a curved line to meet the end of the chin. And on that curve, you're gonna see the jawline sits there, above it, between the eye socket, the lower part of the eye socket, and the curved line. Now divide the whole head into two halves and This line is going to be where the eyeball sits. Now, to draw the eye sockets, you need to actually determine the key bridge, or it is called the keystone or key area, this area. Now draw the eye sockets like it's a rectangle but follows the perspective. You can consider it as a parallelogram. Now for the nose, I'm gonna draw the basic shapes. And for now, I'm gonna draw like two circles which indicates the eyeballs, and the eyeballs sits in the socket of the eyes and on the center line we determined before. For the mouth part, you can consider it as a sphere, since the head is actually a 3D, so it is considered as a sphere, and the mouth is actually wrapped around this sphere. Now it's time to draw the contour of the head. As you can see from the eyebrows, also the cheekbones and the roundness of the mouth part and chin. For the ear, it actually sits between the eyebrow line and the nose line. For the mouth line, divide the distance between the chin line and the nose line into halves, but the mouth line is slightly above the center line between the chin and the nose. Now, since you actually draw the structure of the head, it is easier now to set the features on every part that belongs to it. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.